Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. It's almost the weekend. Now, today, we're going to go over pages Thursday in your packet, so the last 2 pages, and then we will be working on our Chapter 4 review. So please get out your packet. The answers to number 1 and 2 are displayed for you. Remember, it is rise over run. Rise over run. It doesn't matter which point you get to, but please make sure you're doing the change in y over the change in x. For these problems, I am only giving you the y-intercept and the slope. We will check the graphs next week when I come back, so you better have these complete. Same thing for 5 and 6. I only give you the equation. You better make sure we have these graphs for you. So I give you part of it. Double check your work that your graphs are right. On the back, please pause the video if you need to check your answers. Number 7 and 8 are your point slope form. Number 9, I give you the point and the slope and the graph. Number 10, you're plugging your points in, finding the change in y over the change in x, and getting your slope, and then using either point to create a point-slope form. Either one is acceptable. Number 11 is probably the hardest problem, but if you look at your notes, the reminder tells you that you need to multiply everything by the denominator, which is 3. You will end up with this equation. We need to get the x to the other side. You need to do the inverse. Subtract 2x to both sides, and now we have our equation in standard form. For those of you that have forgot x and y-intercept, just plug in 0 for x, then plug in 0 for y. We have a y-intercept and our x-intercept. Today in class, you are working on your chapter study guide review. You may work with a partner. Remember, use the left-hand side notes to help you solve the problems on the right. Make sure you show all of your work. It is a big packet, so make sure you are continuously working. This packet will be due next Wednesday, the 21st. We are reviewing this packet because your chapter test will be next Thursday, the 22nd. Please study, write down any questions that you have on any of the problems, especially the ones I was not here for. You may use the rest of class to work on this, and have a great weekend.